And Congress party has also reacted. Congress party has accused the government of taking anti-Muslim decisions, while the Samajwadi Party claims that the Bharatiya Janata Party is engaging in divisive politics and is attempting to just divide people and impose its own ideology on everybody. Listen.
देखिए, आसाम के अंदर जो हमारे मुख्यमंत्री हैं वो कांग्रेस से गए हैं और वो इसी काम में लगे हैं कि हमको ये साबित करना है कि मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा कट्टरपंथी हूँ और भाजपा और आरएसएस के कहने पर चलता हूँ। तो वो अपनी लॉयल्टी शो करने के लिए एंटी मुस्लिम कुछ भी ऐसी कोई बात होती है तो फौरन उस पर कार्रवाई करते हैं, फैसले लेते हैं।
एक क्रिया की प्रतिक्रिया है। अगर कांग्रेस ने सरदर्द संभाव की बात की है तो भाजपा ने नफरत की और अलगाव की बात की है। सबको प्रैक्टिस करने का अधिकार है अपने रिलीजन का। तमाम सारे पूजा पाठ, तमाम सारे उनके धार्मिक क्रियाकलाप, उन सब की जिम्मेदारी है जो प्रशासनिक सेवा में है, जो तमाम तरीके के ऐसे लोग हैं। अगर उसके बावजूद भी बीजेपी इस तरह की बात करती है तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बीजेपी इस देश को बांटना चाहती है और लोगों के अधिकार खत्म करना चाहती है। और आप अब मुसलमानों के नमाज के टाइम को भी खत्म कर रहे हो। निश्चित तौर पे प्रकृति पे लाठी जो पड़ेगी वो शायद मेरे ख्याल से भाजपाइयों को सदियों तक याद रहेगी।
Let's go back to Tejshri, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Tejshri, strong reactions there, scathing reactions coming in from members of the opposition, from the Congress, the AIUDF, as well as the Samajwadi Party. Have we heard anything from the Chief Minister or, members of the BJP on what is now being said, given that this decision has finally been implemented?
Well, in fact, see, the Chief Minister has already said that these 2 hours will be used in a productive manner, and in fact, he has also, mentioned that the 2 hours in the Assembly are very crucial. Every hour in the Assembly is very crucial, very important, and in fact, giving 2 hours to an individual, to an MLA, to offer namaz will, in fact, take so much of time of the Assembly. That is why, in fact, he has welcomed this particular move, in fact, this implementation of this particular rule. And now, in fact, you see, as far as the BJP leaders are concerned, they are yet to react. But yes, certainly what we believe is that they will certainly be, appreciating this particular move that has been taken. But as we were talking about the opposition parties, they have been saying that BJP is playing divisive politics, and not just that, but now they are dividing the people on the basis of religion, and the politics will be played on this entire matter. Opposition will be blaming the BJP. BJP will be, in fact, saying that the opposition parties are playing politics over this entire matter. But you see, again, we'll have to see that what actually, happens on Friday. Though this 2 hours time will not be given to the MLAs to offer namaz, but will they walk out, or will they, in fact, remain in the Assembly and continue their discussion on Friday? That we'll have to see.
Thank you very much for the moment, for joining us with all of those details. Tejshri, will keep coming back to you for more on this story.